Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this awesome 2018 Infiniti Q50 rear-wheel drive sport that we have for sale. One awesome sport luxury sedan. My Infiniti, I have an 05 G35 6-speed sedan, which is kind of like the spiritual, this is the spiritual successor to that car. That was cutting edge, high performance Infiniti back in 05. And it has evolved into the Q50, and it still shares that same advantage from its platform, still shares some DNA with my Q50. I've been with Infiniti about 17 years. Obviously, I'm a big fan of the product. I own two Infinitis myself. And if you're considering owning an Infiniti, especially this Q50 Sport, it's a great choice. With the Sport package, you get a little bit extra Go Fast hardware, a little bit more supportive seats. Leather seats are standard with the Sport package. You also get steering wheel paddle shifters, aluminum trim, and you get an upgraded wheel and tire package, sport tuned suspension, and you get sport brakes as well. We'll show you some more of those features towards the outside, and you also get a little bit more aggressive sporty styling on the outside, which I'll tell you more about when we move towards the outside on this walk around video. So we have a 7-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode. You can use this for manual shift mode, but most people use the steering wheel paddle shifters. You get the Sport package. In manual shift mode, you get rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel when downshifting. Then we have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a parking camera, as well as a 360-degree around view monitor, great for low-speed maneuvering. We also have a blind spot monitoring system. We have moving object detection as well. The automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener. We have a moonroof. Crossover SUVs are kind of the rage these days. You know, the Q50 and G sedans used to be one of our top selling models, but these days times have changed. Now everyone wants crossover SUVs, which in a lot of ways are more practical, but crossover SUVs are kind of big, bulgy, jelly bean, eggs on wheel type things. They're not anywhere as sleek and stylish as a sedan or coupe. And this thing is one gorgeous automobile. Beautiful lines on the outside and on the inside. This is built on the advanced from its platform, originally derived from the Nissan 350Z and 370Z. The reason why they call it the advanced from its platform is they take the engine, they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. So it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle, giving it as perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible. With the Sport package, we have upgraded wheel and tire package, larger brakes. You can get the Q50 in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. This is rear-wheel drive. The rear-wheel drive ones actually have a little bit lower stance, a little bit lower ride height than the all-wheel drive, so it has a little bit more of a stanced look, a little bit lower center of gravity. If you want that true, you know, rear-wheel drive sports car experience, there's no substitute to rear-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive does make it a little bit more livable in snowy conditions, but we actually don't get too much snow here in the South Sound. So if you pretty much live in the Puget Sound area, you'll do fine with just rear-wheel drive and a great traction stability control system. I do fine in my rear-wheel drive G, no problem. Obviously I wouldn't drive it in the snow. Alright, so the Sport package also has this cool body colored underbody diffuser. It doesn't make the car look good, it also improves the airflow underneath for a little bit better high speed stability. We have tinted windows, really nice color combination in silver and black. We have some great promotions going on right now, complimentary delivery to pretty much anywhere in Washington and Oregon. We can put this on our car hauler, we can deliver to you, we can print up all the paperwork, so with our mobile delivery service, this Q50 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood. Power plant, we have a VR30 twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. There is a 400 horsepower Red Sport version, but the Red Sports are more money, and I think the Red Sports are pretty fast, but this is also really fast too with 300 horsepower. My G35 makes it close to 300 horsepower, and it's plenty fast for me. So if you're not an absolute speed demon, you don't want to pay the extra money for that Red Sport, check out the regular Sport. I think you might find it more than adequate as far as power goes. You also have a little bit more of an aggressive looking front fascia with the sport package. A beautiful vehicle. And in 2018, the Q50 was actually restyled. Got its first major restyling since it was introduced in 2014. So we have a restyled front and rear fascia. The inside was also restyled as well. And it's pretty much looks-wise is current to the way the 2022 models look. If you park this next to a 22 Q50, you'd have to really look closely to tell the difference. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.